Hello friends, welcome to the Photoshop tips and tricks. Let me show you the best coloring technique in Photoshop. Let's start. At first duplicate the layer. Select Quick Selection tool. Increase the size, and select the clothes. There you have to select the edges very carefully. Well, getting the edges right takes some time and the video is long. So I will use the selection I've already saved. I go to Select, and choose Load Selection. Here I have saved the selection of each part. Now I select the T-shirt, and click OK. The T-shirt is selected very well. Then click here to add a mask on the layer. Now I have only the T-shirt. Rename the layer to T-shirt. Now click and drag to duplicate once again, and name it Pants. Go to the Select, Load Selection, and choose the pants from here. Then click OK. The pants are selected. Select the layer, and add a layer mask. On this layer I have only the pants. Click and drag to duplicate again, and name the layer to Hair. Bring up the layer. Go to Select, and Load Selection. Choose the hair, and click OK. The hair also selected. Click to add a layer mask. Let me hide these two layers, and start the work from this layer. Select the layer, then click on Adjustments, and add a solid color. Select here any color you want, and click OK. Right-click on the layer, and choose Create Clipping Mask. That's well. Change the mode to Linear Burn. OK, this seems very clear and realistic. Then select the T-shirt, and unhide this. Click on Adjustments, and add solid color. Again select any color you want, and click OK. Right-click on the layer, then choose Create Clipping Mask. Change the color to Multiply. Duplicate it once again, and change the mode to Linear Burn. Then set the opacity to 30%. Select the hair, and unhide. Now create a new layer. Select, and change the mode to Color. Select the Gradient tool. Click here to make a gradient style, then click OK. Right-click on the layer, and choose Create Clipping Mask. Now click and drag to apply the hairstyle. Or draw the opposite. OK, this is better. Select these two layers, and group them. Again select these three layers by holding Shift on the keyboard, and group them. Also these two layers. Now it is done. Very nice and simple. Hope you liked it. Please follow me on social media for more useful and effective videos. Thanks for watching.